Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering issue on your Windows 10 and 11. So let's get started. First, you have to open the Start menu and here you have to search for the device manager. Now click it when it appears and once the device managers appear, you will see the Bluetooth option expanded and locate your Bluetooth adapter. Give a right click and select Update Driver. Then choose Search automatically from the drivers. And if the problem persists, give a right click on your Bluetooth device again and select Disable Device. Wait a few seconds and then again you have to give a right click and enable it. Once it's done, this will restart the Bluetooth radio and can often resolve stuttering issue. After that, close the device manager and test your audio again. And that's it. Hopefully this resolve your problem. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.